Welcome to the Lead Connector mobile app tutorial, where as soon as you log into your account, you'll be able to see the main homepage. And you'll notice you'll see a lot on this homepage. You'll see your opportunities tab, all your recent activities, including text messages you've sent, and you'll even see a little phone icon at the bottom right where you can actually call someone right through the app. Just dial the number and go. But that's not all. You can also swipe left and right and see your average star rating on Google and even your tasks. And we're going to cover all of this right now. So the first thing I want to point out is the bottom section. You'll see 5 different categories. We have the homepage, we have the messages, the review tab, the appointments tab, and the contacts tab. Let's go into the messages tab, where you will immediately see the unread, the recent, and the all. This is where you'll be able to manage all of your text messages and your emails. So let's click on John Smith here. You can see that these are the text messages that we sent to him previously on the desktop version, and we can easily send him a message in the mobile app version as well. Just type your message and press send. And when John responds, just like all inboxes, you'll see it pop up right there. And not only can you send a text message, there's also an attachment icon at the bottom right where you can choose from your camera, your media, or you can even record a video right then and there and send it straight to your customers. Not to mention the templates icon, which is right next to that, where you'll notice the 2 templates we created in the last video. So let's click on one of the templates. And there you go. Now all we have to do is press send. And if you go even further on the bottom right corner, you'll notice that we can switch from text to email with the click of a button. And now we're in the email section, where we can easily send emails to our customers just as well as text messages. And right above the text and email icon, you'll notice a $sign icon, which when you connect your Stripe account, you can send beautiful invoices in seconds. And it will send a link straight to the customer and they can pay you through their mobile device. Now head over to the top right-hand corner. There'll be 3 vertical dots. Click on that and you'll notice multiple options here. You can either mark the message as read, view the contact, book an appointment, request payment, archive, or delete the conversation. Let's view the contact real quick. And under view contact, you'll notice absolutely everything you need to know about this contact. Their name, their email, their number. Not to mention you can assign this contact to whoever you want on your team, which means if you have multiple members and you only want one member seeing this exact contact and their exact messages, just assign it to that member by clicking the assign to button and then choosing the member you want. And of course, a lot of this is done through the automation tab, but it's nice to know how to do it manually as well. And then right below that, you can actually edit the entire contact right here in the phone. Change the name, the number, the email, add tags, whatever you need. And then there's a do not disturb button so that this contact will never receive any of the messages, emails, or anything that you send through automation as well. And if we scroll down, you'll notice a campaigns and workflow section where you can actually add the contact manually to any of the automations that you've already created. As you can see here, these are the 3 automations that we created before. I can easily add this contact to any of them. Now let's head over to the notes section where you can easily write notes about any contact. So for this example, I wrote John Smith needs a 3-bedroom, 2-bath in the next 30 days. And then I saved the note. So now I can easily go check on the notes section for John Smith and I'll know exactly what this person needs. But you know what's even better than notes? Tasks. So let me show you exactly how to use tasks. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a title. So for this, we named it John Smith's Home. And under the description, we're going to write needs a home in the next 30 days. Now we're going to assign it to a user and we're going to pick a date where the task will expire as well as a time and save it. And now you can not only see your task, you can mark it as completed once you've completed the task. You can even set up automations in the backend to remind you to complete tasks when that end date is coming. The next tab over is the appointments tab, where you can easily manage and schedule all of your appointments straight from the app. As you can see here, we can easily book an appointment with John and have everything automated in the backend as well. The next tab over from the Conversations tab is the Ratings tab, where you can manage all of your customer reviews, whether they're Google or Facebook. You can see how many reviews you've sent out, how many you've received, and your average rating. Not to mention you can press the plus icon at the bottom right and send a review request to anyone you'd like. Just put in their contact name and their phone if you don't already have them as a contact when sending the request. You can also respond to all of your reviews inside of the Ratings tab and even the Conversations tab. And then next, we have the Calendars tab, where you can set up all of your appointments and manage all of your calendars, because some businesses need more than one calendar. And we totally understand that, which is why you can manage as many calendars as you want and have them all automated as well. Just let us know what you need and we'll get it done for you. And then lastly, the Contacts tab, where you will be able to see and manage all of your contacts for your entire business. And before we go, I'm going to head back to the homepage where I want to show you what it looks like when you have a task. So as you can see, our task is not completed yet. So I'm going to complete the task, and there you go, 100% completed for the day. And now as an employee or a business owner, I'm happy I did all my tasks and I can call it a day. Thank you guys for watching, and I can't wait to see what you guys do with the mobile app.